What's up everybody, it's Josh here from Teach Yourself Websites. I'm going to show you today how to create a QR code for any page on your website, and you can use this to create a QR for just your page, just your website page, so your basic URL, or you can use it to create a QR code to any particular page on your website. So QR codes, if you haven't seen them before, they're this little scanny thing you can use to scan things directly on your mobile, and you don't have to actually type in the URL or anything like that. They're very handy for displaying contact information for URLs to your website. So it's good to, say if you created a promo page on your website, you could use this method to grab a QR code and then create a brochure and hand out pamphlets and that kind of thing, or even to put on a sign or something like that. The first site I want to show you is called goqr.me, and this will let you basically create a QR code for any URL, or you can put in any other data you like there. So I can put in just text, like hello world, and it'll load up a QR code over here on the right for that. What it's most used for though is URLs. So if I want to put in my URL, teachyourselfwebsites.com, there we go. So I've got my QR code for my URL, and because that's an image there, I can actually right click and save it, or I can just click on download, and that'll download that image to my hard drive. So a bit of a bonus for WordPress users, I'm going to show you a plugin that you can use. This is my test site, joshkolbach.com, and you can just go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and then add new. And the plugin I want to show you today is called WPQR. So if you do a search for that, it'll come up as the main result there. You can just install and activate that plugin. And what this lets you do is add a QR code in a couple of ways. So you can either add it as a widget, so you go to Appearance and then Widgets, and you can basically grab, where is it, QR code widget here. So if you left click and drag that across into your main sidebar, let's put that right up the top there, you can then fill in a couple of things here, like QR code for the title, get rid of the caption, don't need it displayed by. So if I click on save there, and I'll just preview this so you can see it in action on the site. So there's the QR code for this page, and if I visit a different page, say if I visit my blog page, you'll see a different QR code. Same again for like an individual post. If you look at a different post, QR code gets generated for that post. So you can either have this display all the time on your site, or you can actually quickly enable it, download the QR code for that page, and then use it in your brochures or whatever. The second way you can do it, I'll just delete this here. The second way you can do it is go to an actual page. So I'm just going to go to my contact page, and you can use a WordPress shortcode. Now shortcode, you might have seen them. Here's another one here for my contact form, but a shortcode is the left square brackets followed by a particular code and then closing the square bracket, and that will get replaced with whatever the plugin does with that bit of text. So for this plugin, the word QR code will replace that with a QR code. So if I hit save on that, and let's just view that. So here's my contact page, and you see my QR code there. So you could work this into the design, or you can actually just save that image again down to your hard drive, and then use it in a brochure or something like that. So that's a couple of quick and easy ways you can create QR codes for your website, whether you've got a WordPress website or not. Hope you enjoyed.